Recently, Godox has launched a new and unique product. It is the ZP-1, a handheld smartphone gimbal. The gimbal ZP-1 is uniquely designed for smartphones, which allows you to shoot extremely smooth videos from your phone and also expands the functionality and utility of your phone. It has many inbuilt features which we will see in the video. Firstly, let's start with the unboxing. And it comes with this sturdy and handsome carry case. And here is the ZP-1. First, let's see what things are here. This is the USB charging cable. These are all the documents. Let's move them aside and see the main product. This is the mini tripod. And this is the gimbal. Now we will attach the mini stand to the gimbal. So that was the unboxing. Let's see how to set and balance the gimbal. The ZP-1 is a 3-axis stabilizer. So it has a balancing motor for each axis. To mount your phone, secure it between the clamps. Now to balance it, we will loosen this knob. And then we can balance it by making it even on the vertical axis. Take your time and balance it. And when it is done, it should be stable like so. The gimbal also has a USB port so that you can charge your phone while recording. Now we will turn it on and see the controls and the features. First, let's see what all these buttons are called. This is the control rocker, and this one is the front dial. This one is the big wheel knob. And this is the rocker switch. And this one is the mode selector. To connect the gimbal with your smartphone, you just have to download this app. Once you are connected, we will see what the buttons actually do. If you move the control rocker, it will control the movement of the smartphone. If you use the knob, it will adjust the zoom like so. And when you use the front dial, it will adjust the focus. If you press the left button of the front dial, it will interchange the function of the big wheel knob and the front dial. Now the big wheel knob controls the focus and the front dial controls the zoom. If you press the right button of the front dial, it will let you adjust the exposure manually. This button is to take photos. And this one to start recording a video. To start using the given feature on the mobile screen, press the center button of the front dial. This will highlight icons shown on the mobile screen. Let's start from the last one. This option shows the video shooting modes. And the first option shows the statistics. The second one is for object or face detection. The third option is for the camera setting menu. The fourth option is to go back to the home screen of your app. The fifth option is to access your gallery. A quick way to do the same is to press the bottom button of the front dial. And this option is to change the camera. Also, you can press the top button of the front dial to do the same. Now let's move to the back and see what the rocker switch does. If you tap the lower switch twice, it will reset the position of the gimbal. Let's see that again. And we are done with the basic controls. Now let's head out to see the modes and the stabilization. Even though it is a small gimbal, its motors are very responsive and quick. Here you can see the quickness of the motors. To better understand the stabilization, we will see this video. The footage on the left is handheld and the footage on the right is shot with the ZV-1 gimbal. After that, we will see the two modes of the gimbal. So the first one is the lock mode. It completely locks all the axes. Next is the follow mode, in which only the pan axis is unlocked. So we have tested this device over a period of time and it has come out great. It is an extremely good product for anyone who wants to start shooting with their mobile phone. Let's quickly see the features of the gimbal. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H. Wali, the Electronic Megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram using this ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets, cameras and camera accessories. And also, these products are available on Easy EMI. Thank you for watching this video by Crossbeats. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. Reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography.